The Hyundai Kona 2018-2019 key fob uses a CR232 battery. When your remote stops working, a battery replacement is often the fix. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool to open the case. First, locate the notch on the fob's edge. Gently pry it open, separating the two halves. Remove the old battery, noting the positive side's orientation. Insert the new CR232 battery with the correct polarity. Firmly snap the case back together. Test the remote and get CR2032 batteries at auto parts stores or online. CR2032 batteries are widely available at auto parts stores or online. If the case is difficult to open, apply gentle heat from a hairdryer to soften the glue. If the remote still doesn't work after battery replacement, try reprogramming it by cycling the ignition key. Insert and remove 5 times. Clean the battery contacts with isopropyl alcohol to remove corrosion. Ensure you're using the correct CR2032 battery type. Incorrect or expired batteries can cause failures. Consider using rechargeable CR2032 batteries for environmental benefits and reduced waste. If problems persist, internal damage or moisture may be the cause. Consult a professional if unsure.